In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily integrate Google Calendar with Slack. This integration is particularly useful for streamlining your workflow and keeping your calendar events and notifications right where you collaborate with your team. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Slack workspace. This can be done on either the desktop or mobile app. Make sure you have your credentials handy. Once you're logged in, you'll be at your main Slack dashboard where you can see all your channels and messages. Next, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find the Apps option. If you don't see it immediately, you can use the search bar to bring it up. Once you click on Apps, a new interface showing all available Slack apps will open. This is where you'll search for Google Calendar, type Google Calendar into the search bar at the top, and you'll see it appear in the search results. Now, it's time to install the Google Calendar app into your Slack workspace. Click on the Google Calendar option from the list of search results and then select Add to Slack. Doing this will prompt a browser window to open, asking you to authorize the connection between Google Calendar and Slack. This step is crucial as it ensures both applications can communicate seamlessly. Once you have the authorization window open, it's time to connect with your Google account. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to do so by entering your Google account credentials. After signing in, the system will ask for permissions to allow Slack access to your Google Calendar. These permissions are necessary for Slack to pull in your events and send you the appropriate reminders or notifications. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Google Calendar with Slack. From now on, your calendar alerts and events will synchronize smoothly with your Slack channels. This means less context switching between apps and more time focusing on your tasks. A few tips to make the most out of this integration include customizing your notification settings within Slack to ensure you receive timely updates that fit your schedule. You can also set specific reminders for different types of meetings or deadlines. Integrating Google Calendar with Slack is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your productivity and stay organized. With events synchronized to your Slack, you're less likely to miss important meetings or deadlines. I hope this guide has been helpful to you, making the integration process straightforward and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.